All clear per the occupant.
What's that?
All clear per the occupant.
All right. Hey.
Let's grab Frank.
Let's go.
Frank.
Come here, Frank.
Come on.
Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here. Come over here. Come on. Can you get your dog, please?
I can't get him. He won't come.
Okay. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
What is the location?
Please, I got a fire in my house.
Take a deep breath. What's the address?
C1 Baja Lane. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Ma'am, I can't understand you when you're screaming.
C1 Baja Lane. Please, hurry.
Okay, let me get you to the fire department.
Okay, please.
Is everybody out of the house?
No, not yet.
Columbus Fire, what's the address of your emergency?
It's fire. It's Baja Lane.
Please, I got a fire in my house.
Slow down. Don't yell in my ear.
C1 Baja Lane. No, C1.
Okay, that's what I had in the first place.
Huh?
Baja.
Baja Lane, please hurry.
House. Slow down. Is this a house or apartment?
It's a condo.
Okay. What's going on there? What's going on there?
It's my house. It's popping.
It's popping in the wall.
Popping.
It's on fire.
Yes, please hurry, 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 hurry.
All right, we'll get trucks in out. Is everybody out?
Yes, everybody out. Come on, Frank.
All right, we got trucks in out. Keep everybody back. We're in route.
Please.
Shopper 3. 42A, Snowco at 45. Copy, hold up. 130, 425, and that's 19 and copy. Hi, my.
Oh.
First bed.
How can we help?
Okay, we're coming right here. Let's go.
Watch out. You got a gate right here.
I got an all clear per the occupant.
What's that?
All clear per the occupant.
All right. Hey.
Let's grab Frank.
Let's go. Come here, Frank.
Come on.
Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here. Come over here. Come on. Can you get your dog, please?
I can't get him. He won't come.
Okay. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come here. Come here.
He might bite.
Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Come on, Frank. Get him in.
Is everybody else out?
Right there. Okay.
Hey, you're welcome. All right, buddy. You okay? Okay, close the door so you don't get out. But everybody else is out, right?
There's nobody there but me and my niece
Okay. And where's your niece at?
in that house.
Okay. Okay.
I'm the one that's having problems.
Okay.
I got you, sweetie.
We got it.
I got you.
Come on.
Get you some shoes and socks. Everything's in the house. I'll give you.
Hey, listen, things can be replaced. You can't.
That's right. That's right.
Hey,
Everybody out? Yeah. I'm right here, yeah.
right there. He's the occupant right there. He said everybody's out of his house.
My second ladder. You may be able to get into the driveway to the west, and then you well, the driveway you need to be.
Yeah, everyone's out of there. That's my house right there.
The occupant. So the occupant of that house is him. The occupant of
Here are not part of your unit.
No, that's not mine.
so the occupant of this house, I just took her inside there. She said it's all clear.
You got a lady back there with
Yep, I just took her and her dog and her niece is all in there.
Right.
So you got it all clear in this one. That one's been cleared. The occupant to that structure is there.
Okay.
So this is all clear. The occupant for that is in there.
Right. They need medics or anything?
She's a little bit anxious, but I think she's okay.
All right.
Hey, you got medics both here in 817. Just so you know. Medic.
I'll confirm one more time just to make sure.
He's going to have all heading shut down and with us in both directions. We all feel possible.
What is going on?
Do either of you need a medic?
No.
You're okay? Well, they have stuff for that, but
Hey,
All right.
how much damage is there?
a lot.
Living room, right?
It's a lot of damage. I can't tell you until we get it all sprayed out.
We got more people. More dogs. I'm sorry.
All right. But you don't need a medic, right? You guys don't need a medic, right? Okay. All right. Is this Baja?
Yes.
Okay.
31. This is.
Baja Lane? 152.
152.
The occupants for the structure that's on fire are in Baja Lane. They do not need medics, and that structure is unoccupied. It is empty at this point. The structure next to it is also empty, and they are also in Baja Lane. What do you guys need help with? Anything? You guys need help with anything? All right. Careful, bud.
Chopper, can you repeat that? I can. Yeah, it's good for it. Okay.
I'm trying to get out of your way, brother.
Trying to do, man.
Get out of your way.
Oh, you're all right.
You guys got hoses and all kinds of. Next thing I know,
In the way, yeah.
next thing I,
Squeeze through there.
if you can guide me,
I mean, if you just want to park in front of this VW, you're all right.
all right. Yeah, I just don't want my windows knocked out with hoses run through it.
You watch too many TikTok videos. Hit the engine. Hit the ladder.
if I can get out. I'll get through there.
You can get through there? In case they got to get something out of here.
Yeah, let me try to get out of here.
Pull up and drive through the grass. You want?
Yeah. Is it gonna hurt if I go over that hose? Is it gonna hurt if I go over that hose?
That green hose?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't drive over that. Can you go around this way? Can you circle back around and go through there? Or?
Yeah, I'll see what I can do. I was gonna say I'll be out of your way right here, I think.
Okay, first 48A, just clear 2 Victor. Another 48A, Ed Sullivan, Powell, with possible 50 in.